Okay, students. Now we are from Amazing Kids. Okay, we are going to identify the colors. Okay, all of you ready?
Ready.
Say ready.
Ready.
Okay, now I call Dev. Come. Pick yellow color. Yellow color. Dev, yellow. Give to Miss. Give to Miss. Very good. Clap to Dev. Then Theo, come. John Theodore. Pick orange color. Orange. Where is the orange? Pick it up. Give to Miss. Give to Miss. Clap to Theo. Clap பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும். Very good. Theo, go and sit. Reena, come. Pick blue color. See all the flashcards and pick blue. Blue color. Very good. Give to Miss. Next. Tirtha, come. Pick red color. Very good. Clap to Tirtha. Clap பண்ணுங்கம்மா. Then Teju, come. Pick yellow color. Yellow. Very good. Clap to Teju. Then Rishal, come. Rishal, say clap. Pick red color. Rishal, purple எடுங்க. Okay. Oh, keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Okay. Go to your place. Then Manna, come. Prasanna Kobal, come. Pick blue color. Blue color. Blue. This is yellow, you know. Pick blue. Right. Blue. Clap to Prasanna. Very good. Go. Dhanvan, come Dhanvan. Wait, I will tell the color. Green color. Green. Very good. Clap to Dhanvan. Then Vinita Yadav. Come Vinita. Wait, I will tell. Pick yellow color. Yellow. Yellow, ma. That is orange. Yellow. What color is this? Yellow. Okay. Then Hamsa, come. Pick yellow color. Very good. Keep it down. Pick red color. Red. R-E-D, red. Come and pick red. R-E-D, red. Very good. Clap to Hamsa. Clap பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும். Everybody. Next, Janani, come. Janani, come. Pick yellow. Yellow color எங்க இருக்கு? Where is yellow? Right. Clap to Janani.